Alright you guys, it's Better here. Today we have this digital voice recorder. Apparently it's smart, whatever that's supposed to mean. It's from the brand LIMENAMICS. And I would say we cut this box open and actually see what's inside here and what we expect. I don't know. But just to make sure that you know that I will record the voice and check it out myself, but I am muting the sound of this video because I don't know, I just hate when there's like all these noise while recording, so I muted all that. So yeah, you don't or you won't hear the voice that I did record. I hope you don't mind too much about that, but we will have a look at the recorder, and there's some goodies down there, whatever. We don't need them. But let's have a look at the voice recorder. That's what it looks like. It looks pretty basic in my opinion. We got two speakers on top so we can actually listen to what we did record. And then we have like a whole touch display down there. There's an SD card in here to save all the stuff we record, 46, 64 gigs. So put that back in there. And then let's see if we can power this on or if it's not pre-charged. I hope it is. Let's see. Welcome. Yeah, okay, it looks like it. That's good. No recording files found. It's waiting, recording. Now, as you can see, it's at 45 seconds. It shows us where the sound is on the left or right side. And yeah, that's pretty much what it does. And as soon as we hit stop, it will pause. For example, you can pause, you can delete it, you can save it, and do all that. And let's see, recording, pausing, and as soon as you hold the button, it will save the file. We'll do that probably as well. If it will let us do that, for some reason it doesn't. Oh well. Anyway, yeah. Oh, okay, got it. Now it's saved. And now we got our 17 seconds here, and you can listen to it if you wanted to, and you can delete it right away if that's something that's needed. Yeah, pretty easy to use, pretty handy to record stuff if you are somewhere where you need to record it, then deleting it easily afterwards. And that's it for today, guys.